Hi, my name is Raj, and in today's video we will be talking about BRP and how to transition your BRP to eVisa. All this process will be defined in this video step by step. Biometric Residence Permit BRP is a physical card that is issued to non-UK residents who have been granted permission to stay, work or study in the UK for more than 6 months. The BRP contains personal details, visa information and biometrics such as fingerprints and a photograph. Now, if we talk about transition to eVisa, the UK government is moving towards a digital immigration system where individuals can view and prove their immigration status online via the eVisa system. This shift is aimed at simplifying the process and providing a more secure, paperless solution. What are the key details of the eVisa system? Number 1, digital status. eVisa provides a digital immigration status that can be checked and verified online through the UK government's View and Prove Your Immigration Status service. This means individuals will no longer receive a physical BRP card once the eVisa system fully replaces the BRP. The another key details of eVisa system is proving your status. When applying for jobs, renting the property or accessing public services, you will provide a share code that allows the relevant party to verify your immigration status online instead of showing a physical BRP card. Who already have a BRP will not be immediately affected but will need to transition to the eVisa system as BRPs are phased out. New applicants from the late 2024 onwards will likely only receive digital status and no physical card. How to check the eVisa status? You can log into your UK Visas and Immigration account if you applied online to check your eVisa status and generate the share codes. What are the benefits of eVisa? Number 1 is accessibility. You can access and prove your status from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Number 2 is security. The eVisa is less prone to fraud, loss or damage compared to a physical BRP card. And number 3 is convenience. No need to carry or replace a physical card. So these are the key points for BRP and eVisa. And now let's look into it. So this is the website gov.uk/get-access-eVisa. I'll be sharing the details into the description as well. So by visiting this website, get access to your eVisa, you can look into the overview and wherein an eVisa is an online record of your immigration status, the condition of the type of the permission you have to enter or stay in the UK. Who can set up access to an eVisa? You can set up access to your eVisa now if you have a BRP or Frontier Worker Permit. How to access your eVisa? Firstly, create a UKVI account and then confirm your identity using the UK Immigration ID Check app, and then you can access your eVisa. But before applying to eVisa on this page, we have to check a couple of things. Number 1, you will need access to a smartphone. Number 2, a mobile phone number. Number 3, an email address. And number 4, your BRP card or valid passport with your BRP number or visa application number. And by clicking this Start Now button, we can start the process. Have you ever had a BRP? Yes. Then continue. And still have with you? Yes. And is your BRP valid? Yes. Continue. And then this page will be talking about creating the UKVI account and why we need to create the UKVI account. Some informations are written over here. And you will need date of birth, BRP passport or other identity document, and access to your email address or phone number to create the UKVI account. So I am going to click on create an account. And the first question is, who are you creating this account for? In my case, me. What is your name? So here in the first input box, you can enter your first name and middle name. And in the second input box, you can enter your surname. So let me enter my details. Then click on the continue button. Then the next is, what is your country of nationality? In my case, it is India. Let me select India and press continue button. Which identity documents are you using? I'm using BRP. So let me select BRP and press continue. Enter your biometric resident detail. On my BRP front page at the top right, there is a BRP number written. So I'm going to enter it here. And then it will be asking for expiry date of the BRP. And then next is date of birth. And then continue. Next is, what email address do you want to use when you sign into your account? And then continue. Check your email. So on your email address you just have entered, you will be getting 6-digit security code. Please look into your junk or inbox and then enter the security code in this prompted box. And then press continue. Then what phone number do you want to use when you sign into your account? And here I'll be giving my UK phone number, starting with 07. And then press continue. And then it will be sending one 6-digit security code to phone number as well. Checking the SMS and then entering the details here. Press continue. Do you want someone else to have access to your account? In my case, no. Continue. Check your answers before you create your account. This is the summary of the form so far we have filled in. So you can verify the details here. And if you want to change anything, there is a change button. It will be redirecting you to the relevant form. And upon everything is good, then you can click on the create account button. And on this screen, you can see account has been created. And now I need to sign in. So upon click of the sign in button, I'll be asking for some questions like BRP number. I need to enter it again. So let me enter the BRP number. And then press continue. Then it will ask for the date of birth in day, month and year format. Enter the date of birth and press continue. Then it will be asking you, where do you want to receive the one-time password or security code? I selected mobile phone and let me check my mobile. Okay, let me enter the security code, which is 6-digit security code, valid for 10 minutes. Continue. And then it says link your eVisa to your account. I will click start. And it will be giving you the important information what you are doing here. So the first step is confirm your identity. So click on the confirm your identity. You need to use UK Immigration ID Check app. And this is very important step. So press on continue. And your phone should be iPhone 7 or newer model or Android that can make contactless payment. In a summary, it should be NFC enabled. I'm saying yes, I have this kind of phone. So from here you can download the app. The links are over there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan this QR code and it will redirect me to download the app and do the needful. So let me open my QR scanner in my iPhone, and after scanning, the app is getting downloaded. We can download from here as well, but let's wait for app to be downloaded and then I will guide you the next steps. So app is downloaded, and now in the app I can see a couple of options. So in a summary, in the app, whatever activities I am going to perform, I am going to explain you. So now it says, after entering the details, it says you are connected to the app because app was containing a unique QR code. So it knows from which form you are coming to. So session is active. And now it is asking me to scan my BRP. It is giving very clear instruction what to do, how to place the BRP on the surface, and what are the details it will be capturing. So it is very easy to operate. And it will ask for the back side of the BRP, front side of the BRP, and then it will ask you to keep the BRP on a surface and then keep your phone nearer to the BRP so that the NFC, via the NFC, the security authentication can be completed. And it will also ask you to capture your photograph. So it will be giving you one circle wherein you need to put your phone, wherein your face is going to be fit in that circle. It is going to capture your circle in some form of algorithm, and after that it is going to ask you to take photo. So when you are doing this kind of activity, please be sure, be ready. So after that you have to capture the photo and submit the photo. Whatever photo you are going to capture here and submit, it will be getting printed on your eVisa. If you are not happy with the captured photo, there will be one retake option showing to you. You can do the retake option. So once everything is completed, then your session will be redirected back to this screen. And on this screen, we can see it says you have been signed out on this device. So if you are using laptop, and on your laptop screen, you will be signed out when you are performing the activity on your ID check app. And upon completion of your ID check authentication, you need to then start again from here. And I'll be showing you the next step from here. Let's click on the sign in button. And on the next page, it is going to ask for some options. I'm going to select the BRP card and I'm going to enter the BRP details because I am going to follow all the steps of BRP to eVisa conversion just by using the BRP. And then enter the date of birth. I won't be relying on the passport or anything. I'm just going to use a BRP card only. And here I can select where I want to receive the 6-digit security code. I have selected phone number and I have received it. Let me enter the security code and then press continue button. The security code is just valid for 10 minutes. Continue. And then it will give you the unique reference number and the status. Again, you are coming back to the same page. And then if you cannot see any status update here, then what you can do is you can click on confirm your identity again. And then it will say identity information submitted. And then we can either do sign out or continue. And then once the continue button is pressed, the status we can see is completed. Now the next step I have clicked is about the location. Yes, I am in UK. And whatever answer I have filled, are you in UK now, is listed here. And let's go to the contact preferences as next step. In my scenario, I am going to select my email address and then continue. Which phone number can we use to contact you? My phone number I already have provided, so I'm going to select my phone number from list. And then this is the summary what I have selected in previous two forms. Continue. And then I'll be reaching to the account security. So in the account security, this is very important step. You have to select the set of questions here, and then accordingly you have to set the answers for those, so that in future for your account recovery you can use this step of answering the security questions and getting again the same access to UKVI account. So from here I'll be selecting some of the questions and then going to set some answer there. For the security reasons, I am going to skip this step so that you won't be aware of which security questions I have selected here. So let's reach to the next step. On next page, it will be fetching the form information, and you can verify your details here and then press continue if you don't want to change anything, or you can change anything and then come back to this page again. And this is the unique reference number it has generated. And then the next step is declaration. So here you can read this information carefully, and based on your scenario, you can select the relevant option. In my scenario, the option is going to be relevant for me is the first option, that I am the person submitting the information and I am aged 18 or over. But in your scenario, the options can be different. So please select accordingly, and the next step is submit. So this is the submit page wherein you need to select confirm and submit. After verifying all the details, we are reaching to this page, and then we are going to click confirm and submit. Upon submission, the unique reference number is going to be available here. You can take a screenshot of this for your future references. And then the last button here we can see is finish and leave the service. So after this, I just waited for 15 minutes. In your scenario, this time duration can be different. But in my scenario, after just 15 minutes, I received one email from UK government stating that your eVisa is converted and this is the reference number, and login. And then upon login, I was able to see my eVisa details were getting reflected, including my photo and what I can do in this country and what I cannot do, and all the details were over there. So that's pretty much it about this video. And if you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't so far, and hit the like button as well. Thanks for watching this video.